Hello, and how is everybody doing? This is brand new to me. I have no idea what I'm doing here, so we're going to try to do this together. I think I know how you all feel now in class. I have never been so overloaded with information in such a short period of time than I have trying to learn this new program. So we're going to get through this together. I'm going to make mistakes. I'm going to tell you that right now, I'm going to make mistakes. But that's just one of the things that we'll all have to work together. This is different. It's new to everybody. You guys probably know this program better than I do. So if you have any suggestions, feel free to teach the teacher, because I'm willing to learn. I need to help you, and you need to help me, and we can get through this together. A word to my seniors. Very, very sorry about what's happening to you. You were born in the shadows of 9/11, and now you're going to graduate in the throes of coronavirus. We don't know if you're going to have a graduation ceremony or not. Lots of things are canceled through May. We could have a regular graduation ceremony, or we may have to do a virtual graduation ceremony. That's still in the works. We don't know. I feel sorry for you, but you're resilient, and you will come out of this. We'll all come out of this, but particularly the seniors. Lots have been taken away from you. No prom, nothing. So, we have to do what we have to do. But on an upbeat note, we have an opportunity to get your grades up. What we're going to be doing for the first couple of days, probably the first week or so, is just reviewing. We're going to go back over and look at gas laws and have some work that you've already done before, that you've seen before. But it's going to be easy just to refresh your memory on what's going on. I expect you to please do this work. It is an opportunity. This is something that is also happening at university level. It's happening in business. Lots of people work from home. Remote learning and remote business meetings and all that, it's happening. So this is going to be the wave of the future. We just got thrown into it a whole lot faster than what most people had planned on doing. Believe me, I am not a professional in front of the camera. This makes me very nervous. I'm definitely stepping outside of my comfort zone. So please bear with me. I know that this is not the ideal situation, but we will get through this. Now, some expectations. This is school. You're expected to follow all of the rules and regulations as if you were in the building. Please keep your messages to me professional, as I will keep my messages to you professional. Please, if you're getting on a webcam, if we have any kind of FaceTime, or we get on Teams as a group chat, video chats, whatever, using Zoom or whatever other media that we can use, please be dressed appropriately. As long as you're in your bedroom or whatever, wherever your computer is, wherever your device is, and you're not planning on getting on a camera so that people can see what's going on, then, dress the way you want to dress. But if you're going to get on camera, if you're going to post something, please be sure you're dressed appropriately. Visually, that is. When it comes to texting, please keep it straightforward and professional. Please do not use all caps. I don't like being yelled at on the internet. Please don't use extra exclamation points. I will get back with you as soon as I possibly can. All of you know my story. I am a part-time teacher. I'm retired. So my office hours are shorter than most of the other teachers. They're from 9 to 11. But you can get a hold of me if you need to get a hold of me. I will keep my phone with me at all times. I'll be checking my email and my Teams messages. You can also send something through Remind. Be sure that you check my webpage on the the East site, and it has all the Remind codes for each class. Please be sure that you get onto Remind, because it is something that we're going to be using quite a bit of. I will also give you my cell phone number. It is 361-935-8594. I'll say it again, 361-935-8594. Please put that in your phone. Call me if you need help. We can FaceTime. We can do whatever needs to be done at that particular time to help you get what you need to get done. If you have any questions as to going to be late on an assignment, please be sure you look at your due dates. For example, the Concern Needs Survey is due by 4 o'clock Monday. I need to have time to read these. Please do not send them in as a picture. My computers will not blow them up enough for me to be able to read it. So please send them back as a Word document. That way I'll be able to read them. It's an editable document, so you can type right on that document. Some things you're going to have to send back as pictures, like some of the worksheets, because there's math involved, and I want to see all the setups. I don't want to see just answers. That brings me to one of the most important points. Folks, I have no idea if you're actually doing this work or not, or if you're having one of your friends do it and you're just sending it in. I have gotten emails from students that I do not have that includes work or assignments from my classes. So I know somebody else is doing them for them, or you are having trouble logging on. If that's the case, again, be sure that you go and you see, you read all the documents that I've sent, and there are numbers for you to be able to read. I am going to send the full expectations and everything as an assignment with a sheet that you will put answer whether yes, I read this, or no, I didn't read it. Don't just go down to the last sheet and do that and answer the question. Please read through it, because you are going to be held responsible for these, since I will be sending them out as a class, just like I handed out in class. This is, again, all new to everybody. Hopefully it won't last long. My opinion is we probably won't be back in school. So this is going to be a situation in which we have to get this done, and we'll get through it together. We can have a lot of fun with it too. Be sure to look at the school website. We're having a virtual Battle of the Boot with that school across town. I think it could be real fun to see how people are studying and how people are working and what they're doing. It's really a great spirit booster, and we'll do what we can to get things done. Again, guys, I'm glad you're back. I miss you. I really wish I was in the classroom with you to see all your bright, smiley faces and to see your glum faces when you have to put your cell phones up. But now you have an opportunity to keep your cell phone with you. Look at all the Google you want. Look at all the YouTube you want. Look up the answers. Do what you need to do. And that's actually education. That's actually the way you do things. Back in my day, we had to come home looking at encyclopedias. In fact, it's right above my head on a shelf, right above this computer, is an old 1998 set of the new Book of Knowledge encyclopedias. Of course, they're obviously outdated. They're 1991 encyclopedias. To my left, your right, is my old iMac computer that hasn't been turned on in probably 25 years or 20 years. It's pretty freaking old. Fact is, the desk I'm sitting at hasn't been used in a long time since my kids left school. So things are a bit different for me also. Enjoy your time in doing this. You can do your assignments anytime you want to. You don't have to come and do mine during your normal class period. Most of my assignments aren't due till 11:59 of the next day, of that day. Or just look at the due date. Lots of times you've got 2 or 3 days to do things. So I will be on those days. I will be posting videos, talking you through things. Hopefully I'll be able to put the little video down in the corner and be able to work on other things for you so you can see what's going on. We'll see how that all works, and I'll talk to you later.